Hi, you are welcome again to Advanced Me, where you transform today, advance tomorrow. Still on the series, the Excel Dictionary. In today's episode, we'll be looking into how to use the if function combined with the or function. Please like, share, subscribe. Most importantly, click on the notification bell for more videos of this. The if function combined with the or function allows you to test multiple conditions, and if any of them are true, the if function returns the value if true, otherwise it returns the value if false. Let's say, for instance, I have some examples here. We want to check the scores of students in a particular class, whether they fall within the range or out the range of 45 and 70. So let's go. We input a formula equals to if, double click, and our other function or, you double click, then we select our logic, this less than 45, comma, this again greater than 70. So we want to know the ones that fall within the range of 45 and 70. So we close bracket, comma, then you had your statement out of range, comma, then you have the second statement, which is within range. Then close bracket and enter. Then you drag down. So with this, you can determine the numbers that falls, or the scores that falls within the range of 45 and 47. Like I used to say, you can as well filter it by just clicking on Ctrl+Shift+L to filter and to just select the one that is applicable for your report or for your analysis, and you filter out within the range as well. So I'm going to clear the filter and remove the filter for now, so that I can. Okay, I have another example here. I want to check these members, the one with discount and the one with no discount, judging by their amount of order. Okay, is equal to if, then we input our other function, or then we select this greater than 500, assuming 500 is the lowest, then comma, select this equals to VIP, then close bracket, repeat our statement, which is discount applied, and input the other statement, no discount, close bracket. So with this, we can accurately get the ones with discount and the ones without discount. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe. Most importantly, click on the notification bell for more videos updates. See you in the next video.